Here's the Full Star Veggie Chopper 4-in-1, and let me tell you, this is life-changing. You may have seen this go viral, but I don't know how I lived without this before it. Full Star makes it. There's different versions of 4-in-1, 8-in-1, 9-in-1. The 4-in-1 is perfect. Here it is open. I actually only use the fine chop. This is the medium chop, and this is a spiralizer with some other pieces. I haven't used that yet. But to change this out, it's really easy. You just switch this to unlock. You can take it out, put the new one in, and then lock it back up. But I'm going to use this. I am in the middle of chopping my peppers and onions, so I will show you it in action. It also comes with 4 different cleaning tools to get into the nooks and crannies up here, which I clearly am using it, so it's not fully clean yet. But otherwise, this thing is top dishwasher safe. So you could just put the whole thing in the dishwasher. So, let me just show you. I'll put a pepper in here. You can put anything in the size of that. Close it, and I will say you do have to give it a good push to actually get it to cut through. And it went all the way through. So I will get now an onion. And this is a really big onion, so it's actually pretty thick. And it'll cut all the way through. So just close it halfway through and a nice chop. I can cut 3 or 4 full peppers or onions to fit in this container before I take it off and then just dump it into my container to keep in the fridge. So I highly, highly recommend this chopper. I really have saved so much time meal prepping for the week, and I think it would do good benefit for your family. Highly recommend.